In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Google Calendar to GoHighLevel. In order to do this, you first need to head over to their website, which is GoHighLevel.com. From in there, you can either log in or sign up their free trial. If you do not have an account yet, then this free trial option is for you. You can just follow the on-screen instructions in order to proceed to this. Alternatively, if you do not have an account, or if you already have an account, you can click on this login option. Since I already have one, let me just head over and then log in. Once you have logged in, you can see in here your launchpad or your dashboard. Now into this part, what we can do is we can head over right here to our left sidebar, and in here you can see the settings option into the bottom. So head over and click onto this settings. Now in your settings, you should be able to see in here this. Under the Vista services, you can see the calendars option. So let's head over and click on it. Once you have clicked on your calendars, you can see in here this part. So don't wait for the calendars to load. You can just head over and click on the disconnections option. Now from in there, you should be able to actually connect a calendar using this part. So just wait for this to successfully load altogether. Into this part, head over and click onto this add new option. And then we have in here our Google Calendar. So click onto this connect. Now this will open in here this new tab that actually allows you to sign in into your Google account. In my part, I'll head over and connect this into my Google account, which is this one. Just head over and choose the account that you wish to connect. And then after that, click on this continue option. And then from this will sign you in. Make sure to agree and click on continue. After that, you can see that it's actually loading to connect it. And once it's done, it should be actually be connected onto your actual GoHighLevel account. That's how you connect Google Calendar to GoHighLevel. Hope we helped.